beautiful view of, yeah, it was nice. And that's the terrace behind, look at.
Goed. Wauw.
Ja?
Ja.
You like it?
I love it.
Oui, oui, okay.
The show is the only moment that I really can communicate about the work which I did during 6 months. So it's my only way of communication, because for me it's not only with the clothes, but it's with the light, the sound, the way the models walk, the makeup, the hair, the way that the whole thing looks. And that's the way that I want to show to people, look, that's what I've been thinking about fashion, this is my vision, and now I leave it up to you to do whatever you want with it. Well, the magic is something what you don't think too much about. It's not that it's a secret formula. Okay, now we're gonna put some stardust on top of it and they're gonna eat it and they're gonna love it. No, it's not like that it works. I think the magic especially is that people can feel that it's done with a kind of honesty, with a passion, and that it comes really from your heart. And at the end, people have to feel that there's kind of reality behind it.